just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about today. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to shake.
Hi guys. Today I will show you how you can install WATCHDOGS mod in GTA San Andreas. First of all, you need to download this zip file. The download link is in the description. Just download it for free.
What am I supposed to do? Is it all now up to you? I am not that strong. I don't even know where I belong.
Install Clear 4, and you need to choose your destination where you installed GTA San Andreas. But remember, you have to take a fresh backup of GTA San Andreas. It's important. You need to take backup and backup. Then you need to install Clear Cheat menu. I installed it, that's why it's showing the message. But I'm doing this with new copy, so don't worry. Then install WATCHDOGS 2 Marcus mode. And at last you need to install WATCHDOGS mod via Duo X2. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about today. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to shake. And now you can find controls here. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe me for more videos like this, and I'm out.
What if I were you? Would it be easier for me to be heard and to be seen? What am I supposed to do? Is it all now up to you? I am not that strong. I don't even know where I belong. try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to wait. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to wait. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's